There's something special about taking a rusty, forgotten car, one that has been left to the ravages of time and neglect, and breathing new life into it. It's a journey that starts with a vision, a dream of what that car once was and what it can be again. Bringing it back to its former glory is not just about the physical restoration, it's about reviving the spirit of the car, the essence that made it special in the first place. Each dent, each scratch tells a story, and as we work on it, we become part of that story. It's like uncovering a hidden treasure, a time capsule of memories and craftsmanship. The intricate details, the unique design elements, all speak of an era gone by. As we polish and restore, we are not just working on metal and paint, we are preserving a piece of history. Car restoration is more than just a hobby, it's a passion, an art form, a way to connect with automotive history. It's about understanding the engineering marvels of the past and appreciating the craftsmanship that went into each vehicle. It's a meticulous process that requires patience, skill, and a deep love for the art of restoration. For many, it's the thrill of the hunt, finding that diamond in the rough hidden away in a barn or garage. The excitement of discovering a rare model, the anticipation of what lies beneath the layers of dust and rust, is a feeling like no other. It's a treasure hunt that rewards the persistent and the passionate. Others find joy in the meticulous process of disassembly, each part telling a story of the car's past. The nuts and bolts, the engine components, each piece is a chapter in the car's history. As we take it apart, we learn about the car's journey, its triumphs, and its trials. And then there's the satisfaction of seeing the finished product, a gleaming testament to your hard work and dedication. It's a moment of pride, knowing that you have brought something beautiful and unique back to life. The car stands as a symbol of your perseverance and passion, but it's not just about the cars themselves, it's about the journey, the process, and the people you meet along the way. The camaraderie among fellow enthusiasts, the shared knowledge, and the collective passion create a community that is as vibrant as the cars we restore. Restoration is about keeping history alive, preserving a piece of our automotive heritage for future generations to enjoy. It's about honoring the legacy of those who designed and built these cars, and ensuring that their work is not forgotten. Each restored car is a tribute to the ingenuity and creativity of the past. It's about the community, the shared passion and camaraderie among enthusiasts who speak the language of carburetors and chrome. Car shows, meetups, and clubs bring together people from all walks of life united by their love for classic cars. It's a bond that transcends generations and backgrounds. It's about the challenge, the problem-solving, the satisfaction of bringing something beautiful and unique back to life. Each restoration project presents its own set of challenges, from sourcing rare parts to solving complex mechanical issues. But with each challenge comes the opportunity to learn, to grow, and to achieve something truly remarkable. In a world of mass production, car restoration is a celebration of individuality, of craftsmanship, of the enduring allure of the open road. It's a reminder that beauty and value can be found in the old and the forgotten, and that with passion and dedication, we can bring the past back to life in a way that inspires and captivates. The journey of car restoration begins with a vision. It's a spark that ignites a passion, often rooted in a deep-seated love for automobiles. This vision can take many forms. It might be a childhood dream car, a rare model that you've always admired from afar, or a family heirloom passed down through generations, or simply a vintage vehicle that speaks to your soul, evoking memories of a bygone era. The allure of these classic cars is undeniable, each one telling its own unique story. Once you've found your project car, the real work begins. This is where the dream starts to take shape, transforming from a mere idea into a tangible reality. The first step is assessment, evaluating the car's condition, identifying missing parts, and determining the scope of the restoration. This is a critical phase, as it sets the foundation for the entire project. This often involves carefully documenting the car's existing condition through photographs and notes. Every detail is important, as it will guide the restoration process. Next comes disassembly. The car is meticulously taken apart piece by piece with each component carefully labeled and stored. This ensures that nothing is lost or misplaced, and that each part can be restored or replaced as needed. This is like a giant jigsaw puzzle, but instead of cardboard, you're working with metal, rubber, and history. Each piece has its place, and the challenge is to fit them all together perfectly. The restoration process itself involves repairing or replacing damaged bodywork, rebuilding the engine and transmission, restoring the interior, and bringing every nut and bolt back to factory-fresh condition. It's a labor of love, requiring countless hours of dedication and expertise. This requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the car's mechanics and design. It's a journey that tests your resolve, but the reward is a beautifully restored classic car that stands as a testament to your hard work and passion. Every classic car has a story to tell, a narrative woven through time, filled with passion, innovation, and a touch of nostalgia. These stories are not just about the cars themselves, but also about the people who cherished them, the roads they traveled, and the memories they created along the way. Each classic car carries a history that intertwines with the lives of those who owned and drove them. These vehicles are more than just machines, they are a testament to the eras they were born in, reflecting the culture, the aspirations, and the dreams of their time. Take for example the Ford Mustang, a symbol of American muscle and freedom. Introduced in the 1960s, the Mustang quickly became an icon, representing the spirit of rebellion and the open road. Its powerful engine and sleek design captured the imagination of a generation. Restoring a Mustang isn't just about the car, it's about tapping into that spirit of rebellion and adventure. It's about bringing back to life a piece of history, a time when the roar of the engine and the thrill of the drive were all that mattered. The restoration process itself is a journey, filled with challenges and triumphs, much like the car's own story. Then there's the Chevrolet Corvette, America's sports car, known for its sleek lines and powerful engines. Since its debut in the 1950s, the Corvette has been a symbol of speed and style, a car that embodies the American dream of freedom and success. Each generation of Corvette has its own unique character, from the iconic split-window coupe to the modern-day supercar. The evolution of the Corvette is a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation, with each model pushing the boundaries of performance and design. European classics like the Jaguar E-Type or the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing represent elegance, sophistication, and engineering prowess. These cars are not just vehicles, they are masterpieces of design and engineering, each one a reflection of the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into their creation. These cars are rolling works of art, their designs as captivating today as they were decades ago. The Jaguar E-Type with its sleek aerodynamic lines and the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing with its iconic doors continue to inspire awe and admiration among car enthusiasts and collectors alike. And let's not forget about the quirky and unusual classics, like the Volkswagen Beetle, the Citroën DS, or the Mini Cooper. These cars may not have the raw power of a Mustang or the sleek lines of a Corvette, but they have something just as valuable: character. Each one of these cars challenged conventions and brought something new and exciting to the automotive world. These cars captured the hearts of enthusiasts with their unique designs and fun-loving personalities. The Volkswagen Beetle, with its distinctive shape and cheerful demeanor, became a symbol of the counterculture movement. The Citroën DS, with its futuristic design and advanced technology, redefined what a car could be. And the Mini Cooper, with its compact size and nimble handling, proved that bigger isn't always better. Each of these classics has left an indelible mark on automotive history, reminding us that cars are more than just a means of transportation. They are a reflection of our dreams, our passions, and our stories. Section 4. Nuts, bolts, and new-tech modern tools for classic rides. While car restoration is often seen as a traditional craft, modern technology has revolutionized the way we bring these classics back to life. Computer-aided design, or CAD software, helps create precise replicas of missing or damaged parts. Three-dimensional printing allows for the fabrication of complex components, from engine parts to interior trim pieces, that were once difficult or impossible to source. Digital paint matching ensures a perfect color match, even for rare and discontinued paint codes. Online forums and communities have become invaluable resources for restorers, providing a platform to share knowledge, source parts, and connect with fellow enthusiasts worldwide. Digital tools haven't replaced the craftsmanship and skill required for car restoration. They've enhanced it, making the process more efficient and allowing for even greater levels of accuracy and detail. Section 5. A labor of love, the rewards of bringing history back to life. Completing a car restoration is an accomplishment like no other. The countless hours spent researching, sourcing parts, wrenching and fine-tuning culminate in a moment of pure satisfaction as you turn the key and hear that engine roar back to life. It's a journey of discovery, of learning about the car's history, its quirks, and its personality. It's about the challenge, the problem-solving, the satisfaction of overcoming obstacles and achieving a goal that once seemed impossible. But the true reward lies in sharing your passion with others, taking your restored classic to a car show, feeling the pride as people admire your handiwork, and knowing that you've played a part in preserving a piece of automotive history is a feeling that never gets old.